Singers, songwriters, performers, get ready for the most talked about competition of the year with over $35,000 in cash and prizes. It's when the entire nation gets to hear and see the most talented junior and senior artists compete in the Carnival Song and the Lee Song categories for National Song Competition 2016. Oh yeah! Music lovers, the battle is on to find out who will be our grand champion. But that's not all. This year we have reintroduced the People's Choice for Most Popular Song and Breakout Artist of the Year. The National Celebrations Commission invites musicians, performing artists, and songwriters, juniors and seniors, to submit their song for the National Song Competition 2016. Here's how. Simply go to mynationalsong.bz. That's mynationalsong.bz and click submit your entry. Or email ika@nichebelize.org. The deadline for submission is Friday, July 22nd at 5 p.m. The finals will be held on Saturday, August 13th at the Memorial Park in Belize City at 7:30 p.m. For more information, call 227-2110. The National Song Competition is here. The wait is over.